well. It's 3 boxes.
Yeah.
Hey guys, so as you can hear, the sound is terrible. I'm not really sure why, but it does improve at about the 3-minute mark, so please bear with us.
So much space that I even ordered another couple of boxes from local. And I actually think locally bred cardinal tetras.
Yeah.
First time I know of.
Yeah, for sure. You need to buy new.
Not bad. You know, we've got 3 boxes here, and there should be something that you've all been looking for and even commenting on. And we just had a customer now that was complaining. Every time I come here, there's none of this fish, it's just sold out.
Yeah.
We're going to be happy. Start things off here, because this is possibly a long video as well.
I think so.
Here we've got fork-tail rainbow fish. These are true beauties. See-through tiny little fish when they come in. When you put them in an ADA 60p, and it has to be scaped nicely, then you get the color out. If the scape's not so good, then they're not colorful.
Yeah, for sure. Also, it's a little bit light, you know. No,
Yeah.
that's kid.
But they look almost
Yeah,
yellow.
they look
eh?
yellow.
It's like
yeah.
a golden dark.
Yeah, that's right.
So these have been also fairly popular lately. It is actually a schooling fish. Don't keep them with very small fish because they're predatory. It's a catfish. But they swim like mid-swimmers.
Yeah.
And it's something very cool, like when people come around to your house and then they're looking in the tank and they don't notice them at first.
Yeah.
They, wow, what's that? It's a very cool fish. This bag is small fish. Okay. So I don't know how many is in here. 275. Yes. So 275 Galaxy Rays Boras. Whilst we're talking about that, because this is one of my favorite fish, there's a few of these stickers. That's the fish.
Nice, eh?
Very cool, very cool. I love Galaxy.
Yeah, that's stunning.
Still one of my favorite fish.
Platinum half peak.
Platinum half peak. So
Yeah.
guys, that breeds like a guppy, eh?
Yeah, those are very good.
We breed them here, but they also get eaten. I almost ordered the other slightly bigger half peak. It's like an extra centimeter bigger, more see-through. But it's got like a goatee on it.
Is
Which
it?
is pretty cool, like a beard.
Oh.
Yes, those are red, eh? I know what they are, but we'll tell you guys now. Then here, green yellow.
Yeah.
Most places struggle to get, but we've got
Yeah.
healthy ones. Healthy ones. Ah,
Yes. Cherry pop
cherry barbs.
with
Guys,
more red.
So a barb, people think, oh, it's a barb, it's aggressive. It's not. Tiger barbs, yes. These guys, eh?
Yeah, this one now.
We're keeping them in the professor's tank, the 4 foot.
Yeah.
We're keeping them with shrimp
100%.
and with pygmy puffers.
100%. Other tetras.
I wish we could get pygmy puffers, eh?
I wish as well.
Stress, but we hope for the best. We pray.
Yeah, one of the days.
Also, guys, Department of Agriculture, Forestry and Fisheries. They can't wait to get hold of our boxes.
Okay. Box number 2.
Okay, well, let's skip that for now.
Okay.
Box number 3 first. We're mixing it up.
All those boxes, they are excited. You know?
Dwarf wanker catfish!
Yay!
Yay! Yes, check how many of them there are.
Millions, maybe.
Uh-huh.
There is autosynthesis.
Talking about autosynclises.
Yes.
Autosynclis.
There is. Black
And guys, we have still got a few zebra otters, and they're looking even better because they're settled in now. They are like the spots are black. Looks very good.
That'll be nice.
Okay, so this bag I'm going to leave for last. I don't know what those are, but
Yeah,
we'll
me
leave
also.
that. We'll leave that for last. Etwell, there's a piece of wood in here again.
Yeah, then you know.
Here we've got, I'd say these are stir-by cories.
Yes.
Also to go with your discus. We've got them in the 90p, bright colourful pectoral fins. Nice hardy, and it gets slightly bigger than your normal cories. Not that cories get that big. Here's Etwell's wood.
Lekker.
It's a thing nowadays, eh?
Mm.
It's happening more and more.
Nice.
Alright, then, yo, this looks active, eh?
Mm.
Yeah, this, I ordered this, I remember this.
Is it?
Hey, there's Nalise. Hey! Yeah, just say hello quickly. We caught her.
I was actually here looking at Viscus.
Oh, is it?
Because Richard Sanders is the lekker fish.
Yay!
Oh, yes.
So this is an old school favorite. We haven't had these for, I don't even know how long. I don't know why I haven't ordered them. This is a leopard danio.
Wow.
Now, one of my favorite fish, personal favorite fish, is called a danio twin winnie, which we've only managed to get twice before. Very similar to a leopard danio but slightly bigger spots. And we're always trying to look for them, but they've never come up again. So I thought we need something that looks more wild. So leopard danio is a nice, cheap, hardy fish. And also if you want to breed an egg-laying fish, like if you're a first-time breeder, have a go at these. We often actually sell these to University of Johannesburg because they breed them. You know, they've got an ichthyology department there. That means a study of fish.
Oh, yeah.
They train them how to breed them, and you know they do different tests, and often with pollution they use them because they're such a hardy fish.
Yeah. See, it's Julie Corey.
Julie Corys, or sometimes leopard Cory.
Yeah, they're similar to stay by, but
Similar to a leopard otto, but without that mouth.
yeah.
This last one, I'm not
Yes.
quite sure what they are, but I can see there's a lot.
Yeah.
They look quite fat, very round these things, almost like a pea,
But like a puffer is it?
like a puffer.
Yeah.
Lovely. Pea
Yeah.
puffers, pygmy puffers, whatever you want to call them.
Yeah,
These
finally.
are beautiful little
Yeah,
guys,
they're stunning.
and they're fat. I don't even think we'll have to quarantine these that long.
Yeah, they look healthy.
Hey, they're cute. Eh?
Yeah,
These are cute. You can keep them with other fish, but don't keep them with other long-finned fish, like a ornamental guppy with a
Yeah,
big tail.
fancy guppy.
You're asking for trouble there, because they'll nip your other fish. But like faster-moving fish, like what?
Tetras.
Tetras,
Rasboras.
rasboras. Yeah.
Yeah.
No problem. Coincidentally, at Aqua Empire, we have the world's biggest pea puffer. Compared to the size of a full-grown cherry bulb, you can see how big that is. Massive. We also got now, from the leaves, we got in some Bloody Mary shrimp,
Yes.
and we
Right.
got in some blues, eh?
Lutrum.
Blue dreams,
Yes.
or blue diamonds.
Yes.
They're very blue.
Yeah.
We'll show you a picture there. Yeah, tomorrow we get all the local fish in, we get the neons. We've sold 300 neons in 2 weeks.
Yeah.
300 neons in 2 weeks.
They're selling lots, yeah.
We'll see you then.
Lekker.
Thank you.
Hey.
Shot it up.
Lekker.